101.5 Subic Bay Radio song from 1987. Music coming from Belouis Sum. It's called Animal Magic. Alright? And right about now, I want to give a big shout out to Ati Tessie in Iba Zambales. Also to Angel and Kuya Ben and everybody that's jamming there with me. Naku, nagsasayawan daw, naglulundagan. Masayang pagsasayaw sa inyong lahat dyan. Oh, dyan sa Iba Zambales. Ang lugar kung saan ibang-iba. Dahil sila ay iba. Iba Zambales. Alright, before we continue, we'd like to inform everybody. Here are a couple of Subic Bay Freeport Zone SBMA advisories. Please be informed that the 14th gate will be open 24/7 for Subic Bay Freeport Zone stakeholders with valid IDs. Alright, kasi dati diba limited access lang yan. Alright, so now it will be open 24/7 for those with SBMA IDs na stakeholders in the Subic Bay Freeport. Meaning, taga rito talaga sa loob ng Subic Bay Freeport. Meanwhile, pass-through for the general public will be allowed only from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay? Once again, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. pass-through for the general public. Okay? So, beyond those times, yung stakeholders lang, of course, with the valid SBMA IDs. Okay? And pursuant to Resolution number 101 of the Interagency Task Force for the Management of Emerging Infectious Diseases, or IATF, issued on February 26, 2021, adopting a uniform protocol for local travels, no travel documents of any kind shall be required upon entering the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. However, visitors who will be staying in the Freeport for more than 4 days are still required to undergo RT-PCR testing upon arrival. Okay? So, minimum public health standards are strictly enforced for everybody's guidance. Okay? And, diretso na tayo, COVID-19 update for Subic Bay Freeport Zone. 48 confirmed cases, recovered 47 with 1 reported death. So, 0 active case for Subic Bay Freeport Zone residents. And for the transients of the Subic Bay Freeport, 32 confirmed cases, 31 recoveries. That remaining one has relocated. So, again, 0 active cases. Okay? And for SBMA employees, 26 confirmed cases, 26 recoveries, 0 active case, nada, 0. All right? For Subic Bay Freeport Zone. And for Olongapo City, 1,082 confirmed cases, 1,017 has recovered, 49 reported deaths, active cases 16 for the city of Olongapo. And for the province of Bataan, confirmed cases 3,952, recoveries 3,809 with 90 reported deaths. Okay? So the active remaining cases stands at 53 for Bataan. And for the province of Zambales, confirmed cases 966, recoveries 922 with 22 reported deaths. So the remaining active cases stands at 21 for the province of Zambales. And lastly, for the entire country's COVID update from DOH, Department of Health, ang kabuuang bilang ng mga kaso ng COVID-19 sama-sama lahat 607,048. Okay? And the number of recoveries 546,671. Number of reported deaths 12,608. Okay? And for the remaining active cases in the whole country, 47,769 COVID cases. All right, there you have it. The latest COVID-19 updates for Subic Bay Freeport Zone, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales, as well as update from the DOH. All right, right about now, we want to say hi and happy listening to everybody at Optimized Corporation here in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay? So, happy listening po there. Everybody jamming with us today. We're doing the 80s songs, cool tunes from the 80s. Because it's Friday Rewind. Alright? So, pasensya na dun sa nagre-request ng yung medyo hindi 80s na song eh. Ayan, si Ate Angel. Okay? Panahon muna ni mama mo. 80s songs muna is what we're playing. And shout out to everybody at the those who are members of the Facebook page. We are the 80s. All right? Well, this program exactly fits the bill. We are the 80s. We're playing a lot of the 80s hits. Cool tunes from that cool era. All right? We are the 80s. Shout out for you guys. Speaking of which, here's another one. Music coming from the band, Norwegian band called Aha. All three of them. This is Take On Me. remix version, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. I'm DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. Turn it on loud.